China Saphyr adoption. We've got 2 sales. They are different actual prices, and they also are, actually I did some digging here, but now I can pretty much confirm with y'all that they are different orders, and this does equate and equal to $640,000 for Bionano in revenue that we did not expect prior to this, right? So $648,000, that's what we're getting. $648,000 from the China sales. And basically, it's a little weird because 2 things that are fishy about this. Well, actually, I guess 3. Number 1 is from China. The communists, right? They're insane over there. But there's 2 sales that equal $640,000 in revenue, but yet the Saphyr only cost $150,000. It's like, how? It's like, what? Why? And but you may say, well, it's the consumables. Well, consumables don't cost double the entire Saphyr system price. So I'm a little confused about why the price is so high, right? If you convert that from the Chinese currency into USD, this is what you get. We already did the calculations live on stream, actually. So this is what you get. And number 2, the thing that I'm really worried about, now the CEO, according to some sources, this is confirmed according to the C-suite of Bionano, right? It is confirmed that these are sales. These are actual legit Chinese Saphyr adoptions in China. What's weird though is that no news outlet has covered this. It's like, why? This is great. This is great material. This would get them a ton of hits. Like, I don't understand it. Like, when you guys remember the NHS adoption or the Africa adoption, right? There's news outlets covering that left and right. Is it because they haven't found it? Because the community, the BNGO research community is just so insane, and they couldn't find it. It wasn't a pretty damn obscure place to actually find it at. That could be a reason, but this is confirmed according to some very, very reliable sources. So yeah, this is great news. Now, what are the implications of this, and what are some of my thoughts? Not only is this likely to bring and start a chain reaction of Saphyr adoptions, and we've talked about this a lot. I can do another rant on that if you would like, as to why when one major place adopts it, it's likely to bring a chain reaction to the institutions near it. So not only that, but the other thing is that we actually got this revenue, and no one was expecting this revenue. No one was expecting a $500,000, a little bit more than $500,000 in revenue for the Q2 added by China's Saphyr adoption. No one was expecting this. And the fact that the stop price, I mean, you can make an argument for the stop price. You can make an argument that we are up today literally mostly because of that. I don't think so. Do you know why? Because I've been streaming this, and most of the day we move with the dang markets. We don't move because we haven't had many sporadic movements. The only sporadic movements we had was right around here. That's pretty much it. Everything else, it's just been slowly going up with the markets, right? If we look at the broader markets here, they're doing amazing. They're doing absolutely amazing. That is why Bionano's up today, and no one knows about this. No one knows about this news. No one knows it. Either that, or I don't know I don't know how else you explain the public reaction of this event. No one knows about this. There's been very few YouTube videos on this. This is probably, I mean, we streamed it live. Okay, I titled the video "China Saphyr Adoption, Let's Go." So this one will be titled something similar to that. But this is big news. How much should this send the stop price up? I said at the start of the day, when at the market open and before, this should send us 5 to 10% up in the green, and right now we're at like 11%, and that's with the markets running. I think we can go much higher, and I think we can go much lower. Right now, we're kind of breaking out of a little bit of a 5-minute bull pennant, a little bit of one. We're going to cover all the implications in the stream, but that's kind of what we're looking at. It's big news. Should it send us up another 20%? I don't know about that. We are expecting several Saphyr adoptions. We just, no one was predicting this one. It's hard to pinpoint exactly what location and what amount it's going to be, but nonetheless, it's good news, and this is something that makes you very excited and very hopeful, and very it makes you feel safer as an investor of Bionano, that we're getting a ton of sales, and that we're really not only a U.S. adoption, but we're breaking through, disrupting overseas markets and international institutions. They're adopting the Saphyr, and this is amazing news. This is great news. So anyways, we're going to cover some more implications on the stream live, so make sure you watch that. We're going to be doing live trading. We're going to be seeing how Bionano closes the day, doing some chart action. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank you all so much. I will see you all in the next one.